Hello everyone, I will be showing you how can you set up your SSH key onto your GitHub account, but this time with Linux or a MacBook. Right, so first of all I am on Mac, but the process will be similar with Linux and others. Okay, so first of all, you should remove your previous configuration. In my case I don't have anyone, but still you can do this, right? And then same with Windows, you just have to type the following thing: SSH/key gen and press enter. Okay, now your SSH key has been generated and you can see it like this, right? Same, there will be two things. One is id_rsa, and here we have id_rsa.pub. We have to have this public one and not this private one. I repeat once again, I have explained why you shouldn't use your private one, and now you know. So I'm just gonna press the period and press tab to autocomplete it. Okay, now I got this falling string. Now I know people might be thinking, why am I getting so much in the case of Mac and why not Windows? It's just because we are using different, MacOS uses different algorithm to encrypt those SSH key. Okay, now go to your github.com as usual, and then go to your setting keys. Okay, setting panel, settings, and here you have to click on SSH and GPG keys, right? Once again, new SSH key, your macOS, and then paste it over here, right? And simply click on confirm. Now I'm gonna use my password to authorize whether it is me or not, and yeah, it is done, right? Same, I'm gonna show you once again if it is really working or not. So I'm just gonna clone the same thing, and I've also explained why am I using git@github.com, and then I am Harshit188, then Obsidian, because it is the most lightest repo I have. One, right? You see, it is authorized, and now it will give me the content of my file, and here am I. Thank you for watching video till this far. If you have any issues, you can go to my Telegram channel or maybe Discord to ask that issue. Bye bye.